At least 137 people were killed and 5,000 wounded in the huge blast that shook Beirut on Tuesday, Lebanon's health minister noted. Hundreds have been reported missing and over 300,000 people have been displaced from their homes. Beirut was declared a disaster city and a 2-week state of emergency has been imposed there. It is still unclear what exactly caused the blast. According to Lebanon's prime minister, an investigation will focus on an estimated 2,750 metric tons of explosive ammonium nitrate stored at a warehouse. 11 members of the Armenian community have died in the Beirut blast, while 250 others were injured, Arevelk reported. There are missing Armenians too. The powerful explosion in Beirut has also destroyed the workshop of world-famous designer Krikor Jabotian. He has shared the consequences of this blast in Beirut. According to him, the scale of the damage is appallingly devastating, as Lebanese people are going through an unprecedented financial crisis caused by COVID-19. Armenia will render assistance to Beirut. Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan noted, "We will assist the Lebanese government and the local Armenian community as much as possible." The premier also said that Armenia's Commissioner for Diaspora Affairs will soon leave for Beirut to get acquainted with the needs of the local Armenian community on the spot and to inform about it to the Armenian government. As of 11 a.m. on Thursday, 233 new cases of COVID-19 were reported in Armenia, and 2 more people have died of this disease. A total of 39,819 cases of the novel coronavirus have been confirmed in the country as of Thursday morning. 7,263 people are receiving treatment, 171,600 tests have been conducted, and 31,556 patients have recovered thus far. A total of 772 deaths from COVID-19 have been reported so far. Former mayor of Yerevan and ex-chair of the Public Services Regulatory Commission of Armenia, Robert Nazarian, has been detained in connection with a criminal case under investigation by the Special Investigation Service, the SIS. This information was confirmed by the SIS itself. According to press reports, as per sources in the law enforcement, before being detained, Nazarian was asked to testify against the third president, Serge Sarkisian, along the lines of a criminal case, being promised to stop the criminal prosecution against him. According to the same source, Robert Nazarian, however, rejected, claiming that the testimony did not correspond to reality and he could not sign it. The Corruption Prevention Commission of Armenia has launched proceedings against the Minister of Health, Arsen Torosyan, and based on an apparent conflict of interest. A post by data.health.am was the basis for these proceedings. The Ministry of Health had signed service contracts with a company of whose director is Martanush Tevanyan, the wife of Minister Torosyan. Under these contracts, the company was obligated to provide hospital services, e-health spending reimbursement, and computer tomography. In its decision to launch proceedings, the Corruption Prevention Commission cited 2 points from the law on public service. Aside from the Ministry of Health, the said company had signed a contract also with the Yerevan City Hall for providing medical services, computer tomography, and magnetic resonance imaging. The Ministry of Health and the Yerevan municipality had signed contracts with this company for a total of 176 million drams. Also, the Ministry of Health had not announced a tender for any of the purchases made from the company of the minister's wife. Voted with a vote of 414 for and 0 against to ratify the Armenia-EU deal. It will soon be submitted to the Italian president.